Okay, so the topic for today is the future sampler, which is future simple tense. That's what we're going to start with today. Okay, I just hope you guys have revised ER ending verbs, IR and RE ending verbs, irregular verbs, because then future tense will make more sense. Yeah. Now, so see, future is, when we're talking about simple future tense is basically talking about future actions, your plans, your predictions, your intentions. Now, let's learn the ends, the golden endings. Yeah. So as you can see, the endings are, we generally use the endings of avoir, which is AI, AS, A, ONS, EZ. But instead of ENT, we do ONT. This is an exception. Okay. So the formula is we write the infinitive verb, the verb in original form, and then we add these endings, which are generally our endings, except the last one. Yeah, it is not ENT, it is ONT. And that becomes future sampler. Let's see certain examples. So if the verb is parler, okay, we add, in the je form, we'll add AI and it will become parlerai. Finir, we add the endings AI, it'll become finirai. Yeah. So like that, we have to add the endings. That's all we need to do, right? But for RE ending verbs, the rule is slightly different. The rule is that we remove the E and we add the endings, right? Suppose the verb is vendre, remove the E and add the endings, AI. I repeat, everyone, listen to this. Be it an ER ending verb, be it IR ending verbs, right? All we do is add these endings, AI, AS, A, ONS, EZ, and ONT. Remember, these are mostly our endings, except the last one. Yeah. Oh, on is also our ending. I'm so sorry. On, right? So, j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils, elles ont. Right? On is also our ending. So, these are all our ending verbs, right? Our ending endings, the conjugation of our with the endings, right? So please remember that for ER ending verbs or IR ending verbs, we just add the endings, and that is how we form simple future tense. But the exception is RE ending verbs. For RE ending verbs, we just remove the E and we add the endings. That's it. That's all we need to do. Yeah. Let's see the whole conjugation, everyone. And you guys repeat with me as well. Yeah. So here we go, everyone. Répétez avec moi. Je parlerai.
Je parlerai.
Je parlerai.
Tu parleras.
Tu
Tu parleras.
parleras.
Elle parlera.
Elle
Elle
parlera.
parlera.
Nous parlerons.
Nous
Nous
parlerons.
parlerons.
Parlera.
Vous parlerez.
Vous
Vous
parlerez.
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 Ils parleront.
Elles parleront.
parleront.
Next is finir. So je finirai.
Je finirai.
Je
finirai.
Tu finiras.
Tu finiras.
Tu finiras.
Il finira.
Il
finira.
Nous finirons.
Nous finirons.
Nous finirons.
Vous finirez.
Vous finirez.
Vous finirez.
Ils finiront.
Elles
finiront.
And likewise for an RE ending verb, vendre.
vendre.
Je vendrai.
Je vendrai.
Tu vendras.
Tu
Tu
vendras.
vendras.
Il vendra.
Elle vendra.
Il vendra.
Nous vendrons.
Nous vendrons.
Nous vendrons.
Vous vendrez.
Vous
Vous
vendrez.
vendrez.
Ils vendront.
Elles
Ils
vendront.
vendront.
Yeah. Take 2 minutes. Please absorb the endings right now. Quickly learn. Then we'll move on to irregular verbs as well. All right, moving on. Now, the endings will not change. However, a select group of essential verbs use entirely special stems, like very different stems. So the irregular verbs that we did yesterday will have different stems, okay? But the endings will remain the same, okay? So for être, the stem is ser. So je serai. For avoir, the ending is AUR. J'aurai. For aller verb, the ending is IR. J'irai. For faire, it's FER. Je ferai. For venir, the ending is viendre. Je viendrai. For pouvoir, the ending is pour. Je pourrai. For devoir, the ending is devre. Je devrai. Yeah. So these are, so for irregular verbs, we'll have irregular stems, right? Which you'll have to learn. But the endings will remain the same. So if you just learn the stem, you can add the endings yourself, right? Take 2 minutes, quickly learn the endings, and let's try to make sentences with some of them. Everyone, quickly learn right now. All right. So let's make sentences. So let the first sentences. I will go to the school tomorrow. How will we make the sentence in French? Everyone, I will go to the school tomorrow. Anyone would like to try?
J'irai à l'école demain.
J'irai. Very good. J'irai à l'école
Demain.
demain. Very good. Super. Okay. I will, or she will come from the museum. That's it. She will come from the museum. In French would be
Elle viendra.
elle viendra.
Viendra
Mhm. From the museum would be
de la musique.
de la musée. Excellent. Okay. They will do the homework. In French would be
Ils devront
No, they will do. They will do. Do is verb faire.
Oh,
Ils,
so ils feront
ils feront
devoir.
les devoirs. Devoir is always plural and will always have an article before nouns in French. Ils feront, they will do the homework. Ils feront les devoirs. Very good. Everybody, you understood how to make sentences in future tense? Yes or no? For that, all you need to do is you have to revise the stems. Yeah, you'll have to revise a little. Your present tense should be good, the vocab should be good, and then the stems you should remember properly. Yeah. Let's see some examples. I want you all to repeat with me, everyone. Je parlerai demain.
Je parlerai demain.
Nous finirons le travail.
Nous finirons les
Ah.
travaux.
Ils vendront la maison.
Ils
Vendre la
Vendrons
maison.
la maison.
Elle ira en France.
Elle
Ira en
en France.
France.
So what does this mean? Je parlerai demain.
I will speak tomorrow.
Correct. Nous finirons le travail.
Finish
We
the
will
work.
work.
Finish the work.
We will finish the work. Yeah. Ils vendront la maison.
They come from house.
It's not vendre, it's vendre. It's an.
Sorry,
it's
they
a-
will sell.
Ah, they will sell the house. Il ira en France. Elle ira en France.
She will go to France.
Very good. Correct.
She will go to France.
Good. So remember the endings, which are our endings. A, I, A, S, A, O, N, S, E, Z, O, N, T. Right? Remember the stems, the irregular stems. Right? For regular verbs, you need to remember for ER ending verbs, you add the endings. For IR verbs, you add the endings. For regular RE ending verbs, you drop the E and add the endings. But for irregular verbs, you'll have to remember the stem. Yeah? Okay. Let's quickly conjugate parler. Je
Parlerai.
parlerai. Nous
Parlerons.
parlerons. Ils
Parleront.
parleront. Vous
Parlerez.
parlerez. Tu, the verb is finir.
Finira.
Finira. Nous
Nous vendrons.
nous vendrons. Elles
Parleront.
parleront. And je
J'irai.
j'irai. Very good. It will be J apostrophe eventually. J'irai. Very good. Okay, moving on. Okay, let's choose the correct answer. Now we have to choose the future form. Okay, nous, which one is correct?
First one.
First one. The vous,
First one.
First one.
one, finirez. Il,
First one.
First one.
tu,
First one.
first one. The second one is which tense?
First one.
The
Avoir.
second verb is, no, the second verb, I mean, is which tense? Tense. What is the tense of this verb? This verb. It's present tense. Present tense.
Present tense.
Yeah, this was future. This one is present. So remember. Okay. All right. Moving on. Okay. Now let's make sentences. Give me sentences with these. Je
Je
Parlerai
parlerai.
demain.
parlerai demain. Nous
Finir.
nous
finirons
finirons le
le travail.
travail. Very good. Ils
Vendront
vendront
la voiture.
la voiture. Correct. Elle
Elle ira
elle ira
à l'école.
à l'école. Excellent. Super. Yeah. All right. That's it, guys. So this is something that I want you to revise. Simple future tense. It's very, very important that you revise future tense. Next week also, all 5 days, we'll have different grammar compositions that we'll be doing. A lot of grammar. And also we have to do passive composite, which is going to be the last topic, which we're going to take up next week towards the end, Thursday and Friday, because passive composite will take some time. So yes, I will see you then on Monday. Please, you have this entire week. Please revise the verbs. Please revise future tense. It's very, very, very important. Yeah. All right then, everyone. Take care. Merci. À lundi. Bon week-end.
Merci.
Bon week-end.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci.